she's into cheap shots.
Apparently. Oh, cheap trick.
She's a cheap-ass twister, not...
One twisted sister. Done a twisted sister.
She rolled herself into that before he could even get over.
Like, I know you're gonna pummel me anyway, let me help. Very efficient there, Kit. This is just a blur of hair and teeth.